Sorry for being judged, my sister. Sorry for being alleged and dragged. Sorry for being bashed and lashed. You were broken and had no option. We risk being labeled simps for just giving you hints. But we are not pimps. We don't tint but we print. It's okay to walk away. It's okay to slay by the way. It's okay to play and pray. Never be swayed by goes astray. You came a long way, my sister. Your life is not done, my sister. You are not sinister, never a spinster. Love will find you in your perimeter. You can still be a minister of your life, minister of ethical enjoyment, who does not rely on employment. But your own boss, my sister. Enjoy the moment, my sister. Love and happiness in agreement. Say no to heartbreak. Say no to headache. Give yourself a break. Some people behave like snakes. Time to make or break. Get ready to overtake. The world is sometimes judgmental, but you can be continental. Your situation not accidental. Your comeback monumental. Your happiness incremental. God loves you, my sister. God is watching over you, my sister. It was not your fault, my sister. Do not live in regret, my sister. Do not be depressed, my sister. You ran from toxicity, infidelity, brutality. You ran from responsibility. They thought you wanted equality, but you escaped fatality. This is reality. Single mothers deserve love. They deserve respect. They deserve kindness. Be nice for no price. See no to stereotype. Single mother can be your mother. Single mother can be your sister. Single mother can be your answer. Single mother is human. We need positive masculinity.